Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about Weierstrass substitution. So I will put about tan x over 2 equals to t. So we have sin x equals to 2t over 1 plus t squared. And the next one, dx equals to 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. So we change dx into this one. Sin x we change by this one. Now, I will put about 1 plus t squared on the denominator. So now we have number 5 multiplied by number 1 and t squared in here. This one we simplify and we have 26t. Next, we can do about factorization by this one. About 26t, I can put into t and 25t in here. Now, we can do about factorization by 5t. This one we have 5t. Next, 5t and 5t, we can do another factorization. Next, we need to do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over t plus 5, capital B over 5t plus 1. And now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about 5t plus 1. About this one, it is missing about t plus 5. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of t. About t, we have 5a plus b. About the number, we have a with number 1, b with number 5. So we have a plus 5b. And now, we need to compare coefficients. We don't have t in here. So 5a plus b equals to number 0. We have number 2. So a plus 5b equals to number 2. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to negative 1 over 12. B equals to 5 over 12. And now I will put the value A and B on here. So A equals to negative 1 over 12. B equals to 5 over 12. And now we have the final answer. So number 5 we cancel. About T, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.